This tune has been taken from a collection of 53 simple jigs specially selected, arranged or composed by Lindsay Davidson for beginner pipers. This book of simple jigs for beginner pipers is intended to be, as they say, exactly what it says on the box. Put simply, these are tunes which can be used by people who have recently started to learn to play bagpipes. They can be used as exercises, or as simple little tunes. For those at the start of their piping adventure, these tunes can provide repertoire that is easy to learn and can bring satisfaction and confidence. The easiness of these tunes is based upon using a small number of repeating patterns in each, a limited range and low density of grace notes and embellishments, simple musical language and avoiding tricky crossing sounds and rhythmical patterns. If there is a musical compromise, it is for these specific reasons. This collection should also prove useful to bands seeking an interesting and attractive repertoire as well as soloists seeking a challenge in the satisfaction of playing fast dance music well.